Hi everyone, welcome to Dental Shots. Today we are going to see the part 1 of Cementum series. I'm Dr. Mohanapriya, voice behind Dental Shots. Let's move on to the video. You all know the cementum is a portion of the attachment apparatus. So it is one of the component of the periodontium. It was first demonstrated microscopically by pupils of Purkinje in the year 1835. It is a non-uniform mineralized tissue. When you compare with the root dentin of the same tooth, the cementum is less mineralized than the root dentin. And coming to the extension, the cementum covers the anatomic root surface extending till the apex. Sometimes it may extend to the inner wall of the dentin for a shorter distance lining the root canal, and sometimes a portion of the crown can also be overlapped by the cementum over the enamel. Now in the next part, don't forget to see the development of cementum. Let's meet in the second part. If you like the video, kindly like, comment, subscribe to Dental Shots, and have a great day. God bless you all.